Let's take a look at WiSys, multi-location shipping. To set up our situation, we're going to have Macola using 2 locations. We have a company that has location A and location B. We have a single sales order in the system with line items from 2 different locations. Location A needs to print their pick ticket and get started, but as soon as location A begins to confirm ship against that first order, they are going to lock out location B from being able to ship. To process this, you'd have to go through the normal billing process before location B could begin to ship. This would be unacceptable. Location B waiting for the billing process to happen at the end of the day would mean they would be locked out. To remedy the situation, we work with WiSys Pick, and we would be able to have 2 locations shipping at the same time. Customer service would print the pick tickets for both locations and get them distributed. So now the single sales order is at a status 4. Both locations can pick and ship. Both locations will be confirmed shipping, and we'll also be able to generate a packing list and bill of lading. Then at the very end of the day, customer service or accounting will go through the billing and invoicing process. Let's see how that works. I have Agility open, and I have 3 components. I have the order entry desktop console. I have the order pick management grid for managing my orders once they're there for picking, and also have the shipping software for Pick. So I have all 3 components already open. I need to make a change to this order. So I'm going to focus on sales order 202, and you can see here that I have an item for the stem and the clip. Notice that they're both for the same location. Let's go ahead and make a change to that order to set up our detail. So using the console, I'll just come in here really quick and make a change to this order. All right, so now I've got one item from my MA location and the other item from CA. Go ahead and just push the refresh button and you'll see here that that change has been made. Okay, now that we have that order set up, I'm going to use order pick management. I'm going to first focus on picking orders from MA. So I'm going to select this grid and this date range. I'm going to get all my orders that need to be worked on. You can see I've got some alerts. So I'm going to focus on sales order 202. So there's the order that I want to work on. I'm going to check box it, and I'm going to print my pick ticket. So here's my pick ticket. It shows me available bins where the product is that I could pick the 144. I'll go ahead and print this off. And it did print correctly. And now I'm going to do the same thing in California. And I'm going to focus on this order here for the clip. Check box and print. I can do one order at a time, or a group of orders, or the entire set. So I'll go ahead and print that. Okay, it's important to print the pick tickets or get the orders to a status 4 so that both groups can work on it at the same time. All right. I'm going to go ahead and minimize my applications, and I'm going to walk out on the shop floor, and I'm going to begin to get my material ready for shipping. I'm going to log in. And I am going to go and I'm going to begin to pack up my pallet. Hit enter. I'm going to scan my order and the item that I'm going to pick. and the bin that I'm going to go get it from, and the quantity. And you can see that I've run out of paper here. All right. So what I've done is I'm working on the first order, and I'm actually generating the shipment and everything that goes along with it. Okay, you can see here that I've got shipment 1020. So that's my first order. And now I'm going to go over and I'm going to have to make a change here. Notice that my scanner defaults to my location. I'm going to change that now. And I'm going to have it default to my CA location. And now I'm going to pretend I'm out in the California group, and I'm going to pick that order. So I'm going to generate another shipment and another order. And I'll go ahead and scan. Scan that order. And the item is the clip and the bin that it's in and the quantity. 1021. So let's go back to the pick pack screen. So now what I want to do is finalize these shipments. Each one has been packed at their individual location. So I'm going to start with 1020. So 1020 has the items, the full palette of stems that I picked, and I'm going to press the LTL button. So there's my packing list and my bill of lading. And that shipment is 1020. And if I look at it again, you can see that the status is shipped. Okay. Now out in California, they'd be working on 1021. So you see I am connected to the same Macola database. The information is there connecting both these orders, and they're both working at the same time. So when I'm done here, I click LTL, and I'll put in roadway, and I'll go ahead and print. And here is my packing list for California, and here is my bill of lading. So now I've actually gone through the shipping process, and I could now go in and do my order billing at the end of the day. So here's my order. And if I knew freight amounts and things like that, I'll go ahead and just process that. And I could invoice at the same time. That's an option. And my invoice has printed. So I have gone from 2 locations, 1 sales order, 2 items, 2 shipping processes, and consolidated it back with the billing and invoicing process. Thanks for watching.